Hello guys, welcome to HumbleFx. Alright, I've seen people want to trade the financial market, but they are trading it the wrong way. So today, this month, I want to organize a class that will enlighten you and tell you the exact thing that you need to do to make extremely good profit in the financial industry. Alright guys, uh, I'm gonna be doing a free class in this video. So to get that free class, you need to watch or to the very end of this video to get that free class. And those that watch to the end are gonna get a bonus from me to joining my upcoming forest training I'll be holding on the 20th of this month. Okay, you don't want to miss that class because it will be a blast. So you don't want to miss it. So to get up that course, you're going to watch this video to the end, watch my free class and understand what we are doing. So what do you do to make money in the industry? You need to learn what is called price action. Okay, I will teach you the exact thing, those things that are very important you need to do to earn on the price, to earn on the first market, like the price action, the ICT, the inner circle traders, and the foresia. Right? If you know the course called the foresia, then these courses are what you're going to learn from this program that I'm going to be holding on the 20th of this month. So let's see to my screen, let's see the free class, let's understand one of the things that you need to understand in this industry. All right, see you on my screen. That's my screen soon. Yeah, hello, welcome to my screen. All right, this is what we call the price action. Okay, you could see this my chart is naked chart. There's nothing like indicators, there's not like anything on my chart. It's just free chart that you need to, this is what you need to do to make, this is 30 minutes time frame. Okay, I told you guys to make a right trading decision, you must go to a higher time frame and then you take it down to lower time frame to know what the market is talking about. Okay, this is a free class that you don't want to mess with. All right, you need to learn this thing in this place. Okay, let us see what is going to happen here. Look at my projection. All right, this market, even though is doing a pullback, I expect it to come down. So this is my last level. Okay, I expect the market to go down to this last green line right here. That is where I'm expecting this market to go down with. So if you are seeing this video early enough, you could go ahead and place your trade on this with confidence. You are going to make amount of profit. So why did I take this trade at that point? All right, this is what you are going to learn in the program that's going to happen on the 20th, that will happen on the 20th of this month. So why did I took this trade? Okay, if you want to know how I took that trade, all right, I will tell you why. Look at this. This is my 30 minutes time frame. Let me go ahead and go to my day one. That is daily time frame, and see. Let us see what's happening there. Now, if I come to my day one here, I zoom out. What do I see here? What am I seeing? The last candle I'm seeing here is a bearish candle. Because you can see that last candle I'm seeing here is a bearish candle, and look at what is happening at that point. I'm actually seeing the head is here. This is the swing high, all right, and it did not come up to that point, which means there is in a bearish movement right now. At the moment, this is a bearish movement. Now we have seen that on the daily time frame that this chart boom 1000 indices is on a bearish movement. So let us go down to 4-hour time frame. This is what we call the top down analysis. Okay, now on the 4-hour time frame, what are we seeing here? We are seeing that there is a trend line that I drew here, and that trend line has been broken. It has been broken there, and there is also something, there is a level that we are looking at this particular point. Look at this level here that the market rejected to. That level is very, very important. To know more about that level, you're going to come check on this video description. You will see the link to my profile. You join it, you join our upcoming program. You know why this level I just drew is very, you see that the market come to that level and it could not go over it, and it started going down. That is what you need to understand. Now also we have seen that even on the 4-hour time frame, the market has also shown us a bearish momentum. That is a bearish movement. It has broken out the trend line right here, also break out the trend line right here, and also come to an important level here and respected it. Now it's going down. So where do we expect the TP? We expect the TP to come down to this level right here. So if it breaks out of this level here, the next level that we are going to is this downside, which is a very long trade that will take up to a week before it completes. You see how we make massive profits in that place. Now let us go ahead and check on the immediate lower time frame, 1 hour time frame. Okay, you see this place, this is a 1 hour time frame. So what are we going to be establishing in this point? What do we see at this point? What are we establishing in at this point? We are seeing something here, that there is also a trend line that was drawn. Okay, and what happened at that point? This trend line that was drawn has been broken, and as it is broken, there is a retestment. Look at, let me show you guys what I'm saying. There is a trend line that is here, is broken. It broke it, and now it tested it and going down. So where do we expect the market to go? We expect a very sharp movement to the downside like this. Okay, so that even though it is doing a pullback right here, I don't want to be scared. I don't want to be scared about those pullbacks and all that. All these green lines here are the TP level I should expect. This is the TP1, TP2, and TP3. Okay, that is how to analyze it. You will analyze on a higher time frame, and you come down to lower time frame to pick your entry. All right, where is my ideal entry point? Even though I missed the actual entry point, my ideal entry point is this retest region. That should be my entry point, but I missed that entry point. I had to enter at the break of the low there. All right, so that is that about that. So it's very simple and easy to analyze. Now if we have to go down a little bit more to 30 minutes, or let me use M15 as a case study. If we come down to M15, we are seeing the same, just something similar. Look at our charts. That trend line we drew right from the 1 hour is still valid. Look at that, it is still valid all the way. So guys, we do not want to play with such opportunities. Okay, let us check another indices. Let us see if we can actually take another pair that is doing well. This is crash 1000, and you could see the entry point, and we are expecting TP at this point. So why did I take this trade? Why did I take this trade? Okay, that is what I told you guys. We got to learn how to do the top-down analysis. All right guys, this is crash 1000, and we have gone to the D1. Let us go back again to daily time frame. Let's see what is happening on the daily time frame. Now come to daily time frame. We will zoom out. My arrows are blocking your view. You cannot see my view. The last candle I'm seeing there is a blue candle, is a green candle today in today's trade, which means the whole of today I should be expecting a bullish movement on the crash 1000 indices daily time frame. Okay, so we're not seeing a clear stuff here. Let us go down to 4-hour time frame. Okay, now on 4-hour time frame, we are already seeing something here. We have established on a 4-hour time frame that market is actually going to be on a bullish trend, at least to 8,000 level. That 8,000 level is actually a zone. Is very, very important, because you need to understand what it is. Okay, that is also the level that you need to pay attention to when price approaches it. Okay, to know more about all those things, you need to understand. You need to sign up to this program and enjoy the full access to this class. And let's go down to 1-hour time frame also to see what's happening in the 1-hour time frame. Now on the 1-hour time frame, we are also seeing something clearer, something very special. You can see the movements from here. we are expecting the movement to go all the way up to this our green line. If it breaks out of this level here, if we see a breakout out of this level at this point, if you break out of this level, we are expecting a pullback and then a sharp move upward. So if you are seeing this video early enough, you can go in for this trade, okay, and be assured that you will take this trade for days. You hold this trade for days, 2 to 3 days. You are going to go for a very long peep. So this is how you trade for a long time. You can go down to M15, or it's even more clearer here. It's even more clearer and sweet at this level, because we are seeing something so special, something so special. All right, guys, this is just a briefly of what you are going to learn on the upcoming HumbleFx Volume 1 Bootcamp coming up on the 20th of November 2021. So if you want to join that class, simply go ahead and click on the link on this video description. All right, and you're going to send me a message. All right, this is just is for a token, because you have watched it to this point. You're only going to pay $40. Before now, the price is increased, is higher than that, but because you watch this video to this point, you are going to pay $40. So send me a message on Telegram or on WhatsApp, then send me the shot of this video that you watched it, and you will be among those that will pay $40. This is opportunity you don't want to miss, because if you miss opportunity, I want us to storm 2022 with a different mindset. I'm not holding this class again very soon, but since I'm doing it now, don't miss out of this class. Do not miss out, because if you miss out, or it's going to be you will not like what you're going to get to yourself. Stop going for signals. Stop going for signals. Learn to trade price action. In this class, you are not going only to learn just what I told you here. You're going to learn very deep secrets of price action. You're going to learn ICT. You're going to learn ICT. You're going to learn how to trade the sponsored candle. Yes, sponsored candle. You're going to learn how to trade liquidity, order block, and many other things you need to learn. All what you need to do is to click on the link on my profile and send me a message. The price is just $40 and you are good to go. Do not miss this opportunity. We start on the 20th of this month, which means we have just few days to go. All right, so if you miss the first part, you may actually miss the right information. So if you are new to forex, if you are a newbie, you can jump in, because we are starting from the very scratch. If you already know about forex, then you want to learn more, you want to understand more, then you're also free to join. All right, guys, this is what we are going to be doing, and we're going to maximize profits doing this what you do. Or enjoy, learn the skill, and every other things falls in place. All right, guys, this is HumbleFx. Enjoy.